Namaste friends, Bridge Course, Standard 10th, English, Day 25, Competency Statement number 13. To converse effectively in different social contexts and real life situations. Activity number 2 on SCRT PDF page number 70 to 73. Friends, it would be great joy for all of us if we could play the roles face to face in the actual classroom for these activities, for dialogues and conversation, but due to pandemic it is not possible, and that's why we have to learn these activities through videos. So we have certain restrictions, but we will overcome. So listen to these dialogues carefully and then write the answers of the questions in practice activity in your notebook. So this is learning activity. The dialogues between father and son on planning a career. Son, you are 14 years old now. This is the right time for you to plan your career. What would you like to do in your future? I haven't given it much thought, Dad. All I know is that I would like to take up some bright career like farming. Farming? Good heavens! Farming need a lot of hard work. Farming need a lot of land hard work, perseverance, big investment, and what not. But all these things are a must in every career. See, son, there is future in computers, hotel management, engineering, fashion designing, acting, journalism, and lots of other careers. But farming? For a career? You have very strange ideas, son. They aren't strange, Dad. What do you think you are going to do for your farming career? See, Dad, we have 10 hectares of land in our village. It's enough for me. I shall develop it into a beautiful farm. Only I shall need your help and guidance. Of course, I am there, son. But what will you grow there? With new seeds and manures, I shall grow mangoes, chicos, cashew nuts, teak trees. Between the trees, I shall grow vegetables and flowers too. But for that, you will have to learn agriculture. Do you wish to do BSc in agriculture? Yes, you rightly read my mind, Dad. I shall become a graduate in agriculture. I read a lot about agriculture in newspapers. Good, good. And Dad, I'm going to teach the new ways of farming to our villagers. It will be a sort of service to my village. Go ahead, lad. Go ahead, lad. I'm with you. Thank you, Dad. So, this is a conversation between father and son. Now, some questions. It is supposed to play the roles, listen to the performers, and then comprehend what they have said. So, question number 1. What is the content about? The content is an appeal to the son to think and plan about his career path. Who are the speakers? Father and son. How old is the son? 14 years old. What did the father insist the child? The father insisted the child that age of 14 is the right time to set a career goal. What is the son interested in? The son is interested in agriculture. What are the various careers mentioned in the discussion? The various careers mentioned in the discussion are computers, hotel management, engineering, fashion designing, acting, and journalism. How will the son work hard for his chosen career? The son will work hard for his chosen career by experimenting with new seeds and manures, growing fruit trees such as mangoes, chicos, and cashew nuts, etc. What is the right age to plan your career? In the dialogues, the age of 14, but you can say between the age of 13 to 16. Pick out and write 2 words related to agriculture. So from the dialogues, we find 2 words related to agriculture: seeds and manures. What lesson do we learn from the talk? We learn from the talk that every child should start thinking about his or her career plan in the beginning of teenage and set the career goal accordingly. Now, extension activity. 2 exchanges of dialogues have been given randomly. Now rearrange them and make it meaningful and continue the same theme with 4 more meaningful exchanges. So this is an extension activity. Now friends, very important instruction. This is an extension activity, that means you should do in your own way. You should extend the theme by writing meaningful exchanges of the dialogues. Though I demonstrate here to guide you, but you must not copy my dialogues. You should write in your own way. You can make the necessary changes what you want to convey, but keep the same theme. Do not change the theme. Be on track. So first I rearrange the given dialogue. These dialogues are between A and B. So A asks, "Do you believe in God?" B responds, "Yes, I do, but don't totally depend on His blessings." "Why so?" "Because I believe in hard work." "Your thinking is really great. Who is your role model?" "My father and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, both are my role models." "How?" "My father has been working hard for me and my siblings. My father has been working hard for me and my siblings. He never takes rest and never celebrates holidays. He says, change in work is rest." "Hats off to your father." "Thanks. And I have read Dr. Kalam's autobiography, The Wings of Fire. He had distributed newspapers in his school life. He had overcome the hardships by working hard. Wish you all the best. Keep it up. You will succeed in your life." "Thank you, sir." So in this way, just I have demonstrated, you can develop in your own way, but only my request is do not change the theme. So this extension activity is to be completed by yourself, though I have demonstrated. Now next one. There is one more activity. You have to respond few questions based on the dialogues. Question number 1. SCRT PDF page number 74. This is the last activity. In activity number 2. What is the difference between a dialogue and a conversation? Dialogue is usually written and scripted. Conversation is live and face to face. This is the basic difference between the both. How can a person improve his dialogue delivery? A person can improve his dialogue delivery by rehearsing it, practicing it more and more. What are the 5 essential elements of effective dialogue? 5 essential elements of effective dialogue: objective, resource, setting the stage, characters, and realism or real life situations. So these can be the 5 essential elements of effective dialogues. Why are you writing the dialogues? So its objective is very important. What is the resource of the dialogue? Then setting the stage, the characters who deliver the dialogues, and whether they are connected with the real life situations or not. So that matters. What is the role of questions skill in a dialogue? Question skill or questioning skill is essential in dialogue to elicit the information and to keep other characters in action mode to speak. Question number 5. How are dialogues useful to hold seminars and oral presentations? Without effective dialogue, one can't interact with organizers, other participants. So, effective dialogues are very important. And finally, you have to write my takeaway. So, you have to write your takeaway tip at the end of this activity. Thank you.